the opportunities for creating benchmarks in this way gets slimmer and slimmer and slimmer. You can compare that to a benchmark like Terminal Bench, where each task is unique, comes with its own environment, has a very long horizon of potentially hundreds of actions that need to be chained together. Like these are characteristics that make Terminal Bench harder than Bench, but are also characteristics that make it much more difficult to develop. Like there's nowhere you can go online and scrape a data set of 500 Terminal Bench tasks. Like this is something that we tried to do when we were building the benchmark originally, and it just doesn't work. Like you can't find them anywhere. You can't even really generate good ones using a language model, although you open up all kinds of other potential problems if you go down that route anyway, which I can get into. But I think like the future of evals does look much more like this, is like observing people who are doing their real jobs and then translating those real jobs into a format that allows you to evaluate language models and harnesses on them. And it's probably going to mean a lot more diversity. It's going to mean each of these tasks requires more and more specialization to even generate, and more specialization from the models in order to do really well on. I mean, like something, if you go look at Bench verified, I think like 60-70% of the tasks in there are from Django, right? And like every environment in Terminal Bench is unique. And I do think that this is what benchmarks are going to look more and more like over the next 2 to 3 years.